Good morning, student. Today's topic is chemical property of metal and non-metal. Generally, all the metals show similar chemical property, but their reactivity depend upon their nature and reaction condition. Metal are different from non-metal depending upon their chemical reactivity. First, reaction with oxygen. Metals react with oxygen to form metal oxide, which are basic in nature. Just like a sodium metal, when react with oxygen to form sodium oxide. Again, I repeat you, reaction with oxygen, metal react with oxygen to form metal oxide, which are basic in nature. Most of the metal form basic oxide. Similarly, sodium metal react with oxygen at of a air. कहाँ से ऑक्सीजन आएगा? एयर से at a room temperature to form a basic oxide called sodium oxide. Sodium metal is stored in kerosene because it can catch fire on reaction with air. सोडियम के केरोसिन में इसलिए रखा जाता है क्योंकि अगर एयर में रखा जाएगा तो वो एयर से रिएक्ट करके तुरंत जलने लगेगा. अब zinc metal burns in air only on strong heating to form a basic oxide called zinc oxide. Metals like gold and highly unreactive, they do not react with air, water vapor and any other gases in the atmosphere. For this reason, gold ornament look new even after several years of use because it not react with oxygen. इसीलिए metal like gold are highly unreactive. They do not react with air. ये air के साथ react नहीं करता. Water vapor and any other gases in the atmosphere. For this reason, gold ornament look new even after several years of use. एक activity to show that metal react with oxygen to form basic oxide. A magnesium ribbon, a sandpapers, a pair of a tank and burner, and boiling tubes, water and red litmus solution. Method है, take a small pieces of magnesium ribbon and clean it by rubbing its surface with a sandpaper. Hold a magnesium ribbons, देखिए magnesium ribbon at one end with a pair of tongues and bring its other end even the flame of a burner till it catch fire. Put this magnesium oxide powder in a boiling tube, add a little water and shake it. Now add some red litmus solution to the boiling tubes and observe the change in color. क्या ऑब्जर्व देखते हैं? When magnesium metal burn in air, it combine with oxygen of air to form magnesium oxide. I mean magnesium metal when react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide basic oxide होते हैं. Magnesium oxide dissolve in water partially to form a magnesium hydroxide solution. When magnesium oxide react with water H2O, it to form magnesium hydroxide base. This magnesium hydroxide turn red litmus solution blue, show that it is a base. Thus magnesium oxide is basic in nature. इसके conclusion ये होगा कि metals react with oxygen to form basic oxide. Again I repeat you, metal react with oxygen to form basic oxides.